Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just super comfy here. So hope you guys don't mind I have no makeup on. It is January 1st, so happy new year to everyone. Hope we all will have a good year, 2018, I can't believe it. But yeah, I just want to do a quick video. It's not going to be quick. I don't know why I said that. I'm going to do a video of what I got for Christmas and my birthday. My birthday is 3 days after Christmas, December 28th. So yeah, I'll just quickly show you guys. I'm actually wearing the first one. It is my blanket scarf that my mom got me, which I absolutely love. She also got me another blanket scarf and then one that's black and red, little plaid one, which I have at work. And she also got me cashmere-esque fingerless gloves for work, so I have that there as well. But I'll quickly just get into kind of a sale that I took part of. I bought this myself, but it was the Lush sale. So I got this set Snowflakes, which comes in this really cute little wrap. And then here's the inside. It smells absolutely delicious. I used the pink bath bomb just today, so that was nice. Comes in this nice box. They're having buy one, get one free, I believe, right? Is that the sale that they're having? Let me just make sure here. Yeah, buy one, get one. So then the other three sets I got, it was only going to be a 2, but I got 4. This is a Sparkle, the Sparkle set. Very cute. Has Baked Alaska soap. I'm really excited about the Bucks Fizz body conditioner because I like the rose one, but I don't like rose that much. The Ocean Salt face and body scrub, which I like and have. The Buffy body butter and the bubbly shower gel. I also got the Night Before Christmas. I was really excited about this one because it has the Sleepy Body Lotion, which I saw a BuzzFeed video about. So I'm super excited to try that. And then the Twilight Shower Gel. And then the last one I got is a Starry Night. Again, really cute scarf wrap here. And this has the Starlight Star Bright Luxury Bath Melt. Ooh, the Rocket Science Bath Bomb and Starry Night Knot Wrap. So super excited about all these. They smell absolutely amazing. I did get some gift cards and some cash. My aunt gave me a check for gas money, which was really nice. My grandmother gave me a $100 gift card to Amazon, and then for my birthday, a $100 gift card to Sephora. And the Sephora gift card came in this really cute pouch. Absolutely love it. I will be probably putting this in my purse and be using it for like quick cards. So yeah, love that. And then my aunt for Christmas got me this amazing, it's like this rice or whatever, and you put it in the microwave and heat it up, and then it just has such a nice weight to it. It's this great little massage thing that her masseuse uses. Super stoked about that. I got a heated mattress topper for my birthday, which I'm super excited about. It's super warm. Just have to figure out, you can feel the wires, and I am the princess in the pea, so I have to figure out maybe do it under my foam topper. We'll have to see, but excited about that. And then I got this amazing mermaid pillow. I wanted one for so long. The one my mom picked out is absolutely fabulous. She got it from Amazon, I believe, and it was only the pillowcase, so then she just bought a pillow, but it's absolutely soothing and mesmerizing, and there's a little like dark blue in there as well. Yeah, I just love this. On the mermaid trend, my brother got me, it comes in this nice bag, this mermaid blanket, which is absolutely gorgeous color, and it actually came with a mermaid necklace too, so super impressed with that. My brother's girlfriend got me some amazing things. She got me a butterfly poster that has all different butterfly names, which I love. She got me this really cute, this is all from her shop where she works, it's really cute butterfly glass, but I think I'm going to use it to hold makeup in. Love that. She also got me a Moscow Mule mug, which I absolutely love, with some ginger beer, which I already been using, enjoying. My dad got me some like these fairy lights that I put up. He got them from Barnes & Noble of all places, so absolutely loving those. And then my brother's girlfriend got me, I wanted a Himalayan salt lamp and a rose quartz, something rose quartz, so she got me this rose quartz salt-ish lamp, and you can put a light in there, and I have the cord and everything, so I'm super excited about that. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It would be a great little piece to have, you know, when you walk into a house, just right in the entryway, on a table. I'm super pumped about that. It was really sweet of her. I got some great fun things in my stocking, a lot from the dollar store. I got this huge massive candy cane that is broken, but yeah, overall, like, I just got so many great things, super excited about it all. I did get an alarm clock that lights up. It's the Philips, and it's the second generation. My parents have the first one, but it gradually wakes you up with a light, which I love, and then has cute little bird sounds. So I'm absolutely been loving that. I've been using that because I wake up before the sun is up, so it's really been helping. I got lots of cute fuzzy socks. I got some here. I got some really cute polar bear ones. I got this, which I'm really super excited about. It's the rock and roll pizza cutter. I hate cutting pizza, so that'll be good. I got these glass markers, love those. My mom was already giving me one of these, but I got a headband, like when you're washing your hair or just for looks. And I got this cute scarf, another one from the dollar store. I love the one she got me before from the dollar store, so excited about that. My parents are super sneaky and got these quite a while ago. These are real beetle wing, woo, as they fly out of here, real beetle wing earrings that I've always, again, from my brother's girlfriend's where she works. I've always been like eyeing these. They make really nice sounds. So yeah, I've been eyeing those for a while, and my dad just followed me around the store and tried to see what I liked, which is hilarious. And then this I'm so excited about. It is a sunstone necklace. I'll show you guys right here. And I'd been eyeing it, and then I didn't get it, and then my mom actually like right away had asked my brother's girlfriend to put it aside for her. And yeah, and then I'd asked like a while later because I was like, oh, maybe it's still there because I'd been thinking about it. It looks really pretty in the sun. This isn't going to do it justice, but yeah, super excited about that. It looks rose gold in the sun. In sunstone, I guess, is for leadership, strength, benevolence, blessing, and abundance, encourages a positive, benevolent attitude, and helps to overcome self-doubt, inspires responsibility, conviction, and prosperity. So really excited about that. So yeah, I got like a lot of other great things, but I guess that's what I'll show you for now. Everything's kind of like in their own space. Already put away a lot of it, but yeah, I just had a great Christmas. It's really nice. Like I didn't have as long as a break as I normally do, but it was really great just to be surrounded by family and baking and just the whole 9 yards. It was a really great Christmas, really great birthday. I can't believe I'm 23. It's absolutely insane. But yeah, I didn't get a lot of actual makeup stuff because I buy that myself. Oh, the one thing I have to show you guys though. Oh my goodness, can't believe I forgot this. I got my yearly Russell Stovers. Absolutely love those. In New York City when we were there, my dad got this amazing blank journal, which is just absolutely gorgeous. Butterflies, again, I love butterflies. Has a great little like book place. And so yeah, love that. And then I can't believe I actually got this, but maybe you can guess, got this beautiful bag from Beautylish. And then inside here, I got Wayne Goss, the eye brush set. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use these. Can't believe I haven't already. They are absolutely the softest brushes of life. And they're just amazing. Great for hooded small eyes, I hear. So I'm super excited. They did get me a trip to New York City to do the Bite Lip Lab. And then also my mom said that we'll have to go to IKEA and get the Alex 9 drawer, which I really want to do. Probably won't be for a while because we live very far away and they weren't able to ship it. So we're in a no ship zone. But yeah, looking forward to that. Really looking forward to that. So I'm super excited about these brushes. Can't wait to use them. Maybe I'll have a chance tomorrow. But yeah, I got a bunch of other stuff that's, like I said, it's just kind of all over the place, and that's just what I wanted to show you really. With my gift cards, I will be getting makeup here. So yeah, there's some really good after Christmas sales going on, New Year sales. So yeah, just again, it was really great Christmas. It's not really about the presents, it's about being with family, but yeah, it was just, oh, these are so soft. It was just great. And I just came back. I'm exhausted, which I don't know if you can tell. I came from a party that my extended family was doing with all their friends. That was crazy insane. Didn't get much sleep, but it was amazing. So much good food, great conversations, just great to be with family again. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys had a great Christmas, great New Year, whatever you celebrate. So yeah, and I'm looking forward to starting this next year and what it has to hold. I'm really excited and open for new experiences and opportunities. So hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone. I did want to say one of the big Christmas, birthday, I don't know, gifts that my mom got me was tickets to see Shaping Sound, which is Travis Wall from So You Think You Dance. his dance company, his and a couple other people, I believe. So I am so super excited for that. My 2 aunts are coming, my mom's gonna come, and my other aunt and cousin are gonna come, and it's gonna be great. It's a weekday, I don't even care. It'll be so super fun. I'm pumped for that. I didn't even know they were coming close to me. It's insane that it'll only be like a 40-minute drive, which is great. So yeah, that is absolutely amazing. I'm so stoked for that. Definitely have to mark that in my calendar. So anyway, yeah, that's it.